Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to clear cache cookies Chrome. Open your Chrome browser, click on the menu and choose the option Delete Browsing Data. In this window and time range, define the time to delete. Then, uncheck the box, Browsing History. You should only leave the boxes, cookies, and other site data and cached images and files. Click on Delete Data to complete this task in Chrome. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.